Do you know that where you keep your money could be the reason you are not building wealth faster? Is it better to play it safe with a high yield savings account, or should you let your money work harder for you in a mutual fund? If you've been stuck trying to figure out where to keep your money for best returns, then this video is exactly what you need. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doinsola Toyi, and on this channel I share money tips that will help you make smart money decisions. If you've been wondering where to keep your money for best returns, whether it's a money market fund, high yield savings account, or regular savings account, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which option fits your financial goal. So let's get started. Let's start with the most familiar one, your regular savings account at the bank. This is where most of us keep our money because it is convenient, secure, and reliable. But here's the problem: banks will only give you 1% per year on your money, and that's before inflation eats into it. So while your money is safe, it's not really growing. If you're looking for wealth growth, then you need a better option. And that's where money market fund and high yield savings accounts come in. Now, let's talk about high yield savings accounts. These are fintech savings driven platforms that offer much more than your traditional bank account. For example, platforms like PiggyVest, Carrowise, Optimus offer 10 to 20% per year. That's way better than your traditional bank account. The biggest advantage: flexibility. You can withdraw your money whenever you want. But some platforms offer you reward when you lock your funds for a while. So, if you're looking for a balance between growth and accessibility, high yield savings accounts are a great option. But what if you even want higher returns? That's where money market fund come in. Now, let's talk about money market fund. One of my personal favorites when it comes to packing cash while earning solid returns. Money market fund are investment funds that pull money from different investors and invest it in low risk, short term government securities like treasury bills, commercial paper. And the best part, you can earn 20 to 25% per year. Yes, you heard that right. Zikoko just released a report of the 10 performing money market fund that is making Nigerians rich. I am going to drop the link in the comments for you to read more about it. But wait, before you rush into money market fund, here are some things you need to know. Number one, money market funds usually require minimum amounts that you must start with, for as little as 5,000 naira. Another thing is, while you can withdraw your money, it is not as instant as a savings account. It takes 24 to 48 hours to process. The last thing you need to know is that the returns fluctuate. Your capital is guaranteed, but the daily returns, the daily compound returns that you get fluctuate. I know you're already thinking, so which one should I go for? Now, let's compare the three different options and look at them side by side for us to be able to make informed decision. Stay glued to the screen. Now you're asking which one should I choose? It depends on your personal finance goal. For everyday spending, stick with the regular savings account. For higher savings flexibility, stick with a high yield savings account. For maximum returns and minimal risk, then money market fund are your best bet. Personally, my personal strategy, I use all three. My emergency cash sits in a high yield savings account, short-term investment in a money market fund account, and only my spending money is in my regular bank account. That way, my money is secure, is safe, and is growing. I hope that this video has helped you to understand where to put your money for best returns. So I want to hear from you. Are you adopting my own personal strategy? Do you want to do a mix and match? Let me hear from you in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more money tips. See you in my next video. Till then, continue to make smart money decisions.